ओरिजिन टेस्ट का मतलब है कि यहाँ पर मैं ओरिजिन के कोऑर्डिनेट सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा, तो 0,0 इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा, दिस विल बिकम 0 less than 24. That means all the points on the origin side less than 24. Above this will be greater than 24. And I am looking for less than or equal to 24. So it will be the set of all the points on the line, below the line, in the first quadrant. Is that clear to you all? Please check. I'll go for the next line, next equation, which is 3x plus y is equal to 21. 0,21 ये रहा, and 7,0 here. ज्वाइन करिए। The equation is, इसका इक्वेशन है 3x plus y is equal to 21. ओरिजिन टेस्ट अगर हम लेते हैं इसका, तो इट विल बी 0 which is less than 21. तो on this side it is 3x plus y less than 21, उधर होगा greater than 21, और मुझे चाहिए less than or equal to 21 on the line, below the line. So it is a set of all these points here. ठीक है, and the third one 0,9 9,0 ज्वाइन करिए। The equation is x plus y is equal to 9. Origin test less than 9 आएगा, ऊपर होगा greater than 9, और मुझे चाहिए less than or equal to 9. So it is a set of all the points which are like this. Is this clear to you all? The next step is check for the common shaded area. Common shaded area, तो ये रहा common shaded area. अगर आप यहाँ पर मार्क कर सकते हैं उसको, देखिए this is the common shaded area. And this common shaded area is called as feasible solution. Feasible solution. अगला स्टेप है, ये क्लोज पॉलीगॉन है जैसे कि यहाँ पर बताया गया। You have to find out the coordinates of the vertices. ये जो पॉइंट है इसे मैं A बोलूंगा, this is B, ये रहा C और ये रहा D. A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑलरेडी पता है अपने को 0,6, B और C के फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे, और D के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 8,0. ठीक है, let's find out the coordinates of B and C respectively. B और C के coordinates हम find out कर लेते हैं यहाँ पे। तो B के coordinates, B is the point of intersection of blue line and red line, blue or red. So it is x plus 4y is equal to 24. X plus y is equal to 9. Subtracting, we get 3y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 5. So x is equal to 4. The point is 4,5. B के coordinates है 4,5. C के coordinates हम find out करेंगे. C is the point of intersection of green line and red line. Green and red. 3x plus y is equal to 21 and x plus y is equal to 9. Subtracting, we get 2x is equal to 12. Therefore x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So this is 6,3. The coordinates of C are also found out, 6,3. And now the last thing, I have to find out z at all these vertices. So I'll find out, this is step number 3, z at A. Z is 3x plus 5y at A. So it is 3 into 0 plus 5 into 6, that is 30. Z at B, it is 3 into 4 plus 5 into 5, 37. Z at C, it is 3 into 6 plus 5 into 3, 33. And Z at D, it is 3 into 8 plus 5 into 0, that is equal to 24. मुझे इसमें से मैक्सिमम वाला वैल्यू चाहिए. I want the maximum value. Which is the maximum value out of this? Z at B is the maximum value, so this is our Z max. Final answer हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे देखते हैं. The final answer is written as Z max is Z at D, which is equal to Z at B, and it is equal to 37 with x का value. Z at B with x का value as 4 and y का value as 5. Well, this is our final answer. We call this as optimum solution. हम इसे कहते हैं optimum solution. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Please check that. अब देखिए यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 सब मैक्सिमाइज वाले प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. 6, 7, 8 मिनिमाइज वाले प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. तो इसमें से मैं 7th और 8th सॉल्व करूंगा. तो राइट नाउ आई गो फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. I'll go for question number 7. Minimize Z is equal to 8x plus 10y. 8x plus 10y subject to constraints 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 7. 2x plus 3y greater than or equal to 15. y is greater than or equal to 2. और इसके अलावा यहाँ पर दो नॉन निगेटिविटी कंस्ट्रेंट्स दिए हुए हैं. x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0, which ensures that our solution is in the first quadrant. The graphical solution is in the first quadrant. I hope you know this. Well, let us continue with the solution here. It says first step number 1, convert the inequalities into equations. 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15, and y is equal to 2. We have to plot these points. The x और y intercepts हम find out कर लेते हैं. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7, 0, 7. Put y is equal to 0, तो x is equal to 7 upon 2, मतलब 3.5, 0. The next line is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5, 0, 5. Y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7.5, 7.5, 0. And here y is equal to 2. Alright. अगला स्टेप हमें चाहिए जिसमें यहाँ पर हमें मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 7 तक जाना पड़ेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. ठीक है. So this is done. Let's plot the points here. पॉइंट्स को यहाँ पर मार्क कर लेते हैं. फॉर द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 0,7 and 3.5, 0. It's here. So it will be like this. Two x plus y is equal to 7. ओरिजिन टेस्ट अगर लेते हैं हम तो 0 is less than 7, तो ओरिजिन साइड में होगा less than 7, नॉन ओरिजिन साइड greater than 7, and we want greater than or equal to 7. So we want all the points which are on the line and above the line, that is on the non-origin side. This is origin side, over non-origin side. Is this clear to you all? Hello? Are you all understanding this? Okay. अगला लाइन मार्क करते हैं 0,5 and 7.5, 0. It's here. ठीक है. तो आएगा इस प्रकार. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Let's take the origin test. 0 is less than 15. So below the line less than 15, above the line greater than 15. And it is a set of points on the line and above the line. ये सब points आएंगे उसके अंदर. Okay? The next one. Y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 is this line. Y is equal to 2. ये लगा होगा. This is y is equal to 2. Below the line y is less than 2. Above the line y is greater than 2. I want y is greater than or equal to 2. So set of all the points which are on the line and above the line. ठीक है. तो अब मुझे कॉमन शेडेड एरिया, यहाँ पर मैंने लाइन्स को प्लॉट कर दिया, बट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज आई हैव टू लोकेट हियर द कॉमन शेडेड एरिया. द कॉमन शेडेड एरिया आई लोकेट हियर लाइक दिस. देखिए ये रहा कॉमन शेडेड एरिया. और जैसे कि हमने उस नोट में देखा था, स्टेप्स हमने जो देखे थे उसमें देखा था कि कॉमन शेडेड एरिया कैन बी आइदर अ क्लोज पॉलीगॉन और इट कैन बी द ओपन रीजन एज वेल. सो यहाँ पर ये एक ओपन रीजन होगा जो इनफाइनाइट तक चलता चलेगा. नाउ हियर this region is called as feasible solution. This is called as feasible solution. और इस feasible solution के लिए मुझे A, B, C इनके coordinates find out करने पड़ेंगे. तो A के coordinates यहाँ पर बने बना है 0,7. C is I have to find out B and C. So B is point of intersection of blue and green line. Blue and green line. ये रही दोनों. So it is 2x plus y is equal to 7. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Subtract. Minus 2y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to 4. X is equal to 7 minus 4, 3. 3 by 2. X is 3 by 2. So B के coordinates है 3 by 2, 4. C. C is the point of intersection of red and green line. Red and green. So this y is equal to 2. अगर मैं इसमें substitute कर दूँ, ये बन जाएगा 2x plus 3 to the 6. 15 minus 6. 15 में से 6 9 बचा. X is equal to 9 by 2. So y is equal to 2. So C के coordinates है 9 by 2, 2. And at the last step, you have to find out z का value at A, B and C. So z at A is given by z at A. This is z. 8 into 0 plus 10 into 7 is equal to 70. Z at B, it is 8 into 3 by 2 plus 10 into 4. 52. And z at C is given by, so z at C is given by, these are the C coordinates. So z at C is 8 into 9 by 2, 8x plus 10y, 10 into 2, 56. मुझे इसमें से मिनिमम वैल्यू चाहिए. So what would be the answer? Which is the minimum of these? The minimum of these is at z at B. This is the minimum. ये होगा z minimum. So final answer क्या लिखेंगे हम? Z minimum is equal to z at B, which is equal to 52, with x is equal to z at B, with x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to 4. This is our final answer. Please check whether this is clear to you all. Question number 8. Minimize z. Minimize z is equal to 6x plus 21y. Subject to constraints x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 3. X plus 4y greater than or equal to 4. 3x plus y greater than or equal to 3. X is greater than or equal to 0. Y is greater than or equal to 0. चलिए, let us start. Step number 1, convert the inequalities into equations. So x plus 2y is equal to 3. X plus 4y is equal to 4. And 3x plus y is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 by 2. 0 comma 3 by 2. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. 3 comma 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1. 0 comma 1. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 4. 4 comma 0. X is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3. 0 comma 3. Y is equal to 0. X is equal to 1. 1 comma 0. Let's plot all these points here. Very easy. Let us plot the first line 0 comma 3 by 2 and 3 comma 0. So it is this line. It is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Origin test ले लीजिएगा इसमें. The origin test will say it is 0 and 0 is less than 3. So all the points on the origin side are less than 3, on the non-origin side are greater than 3, and we are looking for all the points x plus 2y greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3 का मतलब है on the line and above the line. So I will share this region with all the points on the line and above the line. I hope this is clear to you all. Hello? Second one. Can you understand this? This is 0 comma 1 and 4 comma 0. ये रहा. मार्क कर लिया इसको. The equation is x plus 4y is equal to 4. Origin side, O test, origin test, 0 is less than 4. So below this it will be less than 4, above this it will be greater than 4, and we are looking for x plus 4y greater than or equal to 4. So on the line and above the line. ठीक है. Next. 0 comma 3, 1 comma 0. That is 3x plus y is equal to 3. Origin test करेंगे. 0 is less than 3. So it is less than 3 on the origin side, greater than 3 on the non-origin side. And we want greater than or equal to 3 on the line, above the line. So I locate here all the points. We want the common shaded area now. We are looking for the common shaded area. Common shaded area is like this. So this is A, this is B, and C, और ये A के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 0,3, B के कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 4,0, B और C के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हमें फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे. So to find out B के coordinates, I will solve red वाला and blue वाला lines together. Red and blue. That is x plus 2y is equal to 3. 3x plus y is equal to 3. Well, I'll multiply this by 2. So this will become 6x plus 2y is equal to 6. Subtract. This will become minus 5x is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to 3 by 5. Accordingly, y is equal to 3 minus 3 times 3 by 5. That is 15 minus 9. 6. 6 upon 5. Y is equal to, so B के coordinates है 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. These are the coordinates of B. B के coordinates है 3 upon 5 and 6 upon 5. C के coordinates देखते हैं. C के coordinates, it is blue and green line. Blue and green. X plus 4y is equal to 4. X plus 2y is equal to 3. So it is 2y is equal to 1. Y is equal to half. So x is equal to 3 minus 2 times half. That is x is equal to 2. So C के coordinates है 2, half. ठीक है, B, C, A, B, सारे coordinates आ गए. The last step is find out Z at A. That is Z at A is equal to, Z is 6 into A के coordinates 0 plus 2, 21y. 21 into 3, 63. Z at B, 6 into 3 by 5 plus 21 into 6 upon 5. 18. 126 upon 5. (28.8). Z at C, it is 6 into 2 plus 21 into half. So that will be 10.5. 22.5. Z at D, it is 6 into 4, 23. इसमें से मिनिमम वैल्यू मुझे चाहिए. विच इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू? मेरे ख्याल से Z at C is having the minimum value. So what we say here? Final answer will be Z minimum is equal to Z at C, that is equal to 22.5. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to half. Well, this is our final answer. We call this answer as optimum solution. और इसे कहते हैं optimum solution.